Alright guys, this is how to cook burrito casserole. It's a family secret recipe here, so I'm sharing it with you guys, betraying my family. So the key to this recipe is to use the cheap, crappy burritos, my beautiful wife, the cheap, crappy burritos from the grocery store. Now depending on the container you use, you can fit 8 to 12. I lay them out in vertical rows like this, or columns, I guess is the right term. I've got 8 of them. I've mixed up the spiciness, I've got some plain beef. Now I'm going to add 1 can of enchilada sauce to the left side. And then I'm going to take my second can of enchilada sauce and add it to the right side. This beautiful fast forwarding video here. Just make sure you cover the burritos as much as you can. And then you're going to sprinkle on a whole bag of Mexican cheese, like the Mexican cheese blend, and put that over the top. Follow that up by a can of black olives. Now, I just kind of threw these on there. That's how I was raised to do it. But if you want to use chopped olives and be more precise about your placement, you can totally do that. But for me, this has always just been a chuck it and pray type recipe. Next, you add a bunch of dollops of sour cream on top. And you can just see here that they're kind of evenly spread. Throw this in a preheated oven at about 375 degrees. Cook for about 45 minutes. Pull this bad boy out, and then look at those corners. Look at that boiling enchilada sauce. I'm telling you, this is one of the greatest things I've ever eaten, and I only eat it on birthdays, because if not, I would be 500 pounds. Guys, this is an amazing recipe. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below.